Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox another Gunpla Haul from Masamune Studio. So all we have for this unboxing are all kits. So we're going to start with the new high grade line, which is the high grade Gundam Breaker Battleog. So this is the Gundam Helios, and this is the first from its series or from its line. Next we have the second from the high grade Gundam Breaker Battleog, which is the Gundam Live Lance Haven. Next is the high grade Silver Bullet. So I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited to build this one. Next we have a SD. So this is the SD from the Gundam World Heroes. This is the SDW Heroes Arsene Gundam X. Then next we have a couple of master grade. So this is the master grade Providence Gundam. So this is from the Gundam Seed series. The other master grade is the master grade Death Sight. So this is from the Endless Wall series. And lastly for this haul, this is not a Gunpla, but this is one of my favorite superheroes. So this is a figurized standard amplified Batman. So this is also a fairly new release model. So I'm really excited to build this one. This is one of my non-Gunpla kits, so I'm looking forward to build this. And that's all the kit from this Gunpla haul. So I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. Please visit their website if you want to get anything from this Gunpla haul. It's a small haul, and just let me know in the comments which one do you like best, and I'm gonna build it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.